Hello, I am Zane. Welcome back to the channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of 13 breathtaking sculptures that redefine the very essence of creativity. These are not your average statues. They push the boundaries of art and challenge the way we perceive the world around us. From gravity-defying illusions to colossal figures that dominate landscapes, these sculptures will ignite your imagination and leave you in awe of the power of human creativity. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be amazed as we traverse the globe to uncover the stories, symbolism, and sheer brilliance behind these mind-blowing masterpieces. Our first stop takes us to the sun-drenched streets of Cadiz, Spain, where the whimsical magic tap defies gravity and captivates passers-by. Imagine strolling through a bustling plaza and stumbling upon an open tap, frozen in mid-air, gushing forth an endless cascade of water. A transparent pipe, cleverly concealed within the water flow, provides the structural support for the tap, creating the illusion that it's floating effortlessly. Next, we journey to Budapest, Hungary, a city steeped in history and brimming with artistic treasures. Here we encounter a sculpture that is as thought-provoking as it is visually striking, the Cinderella effect. This evocative piece, crafted from delicate glass slippers precariously balanced atop towering steel poles, invites us to contemplate the societal pressures and expectations placed upon women in the modern world. The fragility of the glass, juxtaposed with the imposing strength of the steel, speaks volumes about the delicate balance between vulnerability and resilience that women navigate daily. The Cinderella effect is not just a sculpture, it's a powerful commentary on body image, societal norms, and the fleeting nature of beauty in a world obsessed with appearances. Our artistic adventure now takes us across the Atlantic to Charlotte, North Carolina, USA, where a colossal head sculpted from thousands of reflective stainless steel pieces awaits. This is Metamorphosis, a dynamic and mesmerizing creation by renowned Czech sculptor David Cerny. Imagine standing before this monumental head, its surface constantly shifting and changing as its layers rotate independently. The effect is hypnotic, as if the sculpture itself is alive, breathing, and observing the world around it. But Metamorphosis is more than just a dazzling display of engineering. It's a reflection of our fragmented modern world, a world bombarded by information and constantly in flux. As the sculpture disassembles and reassembles before our eyes, it challenges us to consider the fragmented nature of our own identities in the digital age. Chapter 4, Force of Nature, Qatar. Our next stop takes us to the stunning coastal city of Doha, Qatar, where a sculpture of immense power and symbolism commands attention. Force of Nature, created by Italian artist Lorenzo Quinn, is a poignant reminder of the awe-inspiring and sometimes fearsome power of the natural world. Picture this, a colossal female figure, her garments billowing in an unseen wind, effortlessly holding the earth in her grasp. Crafted from bronze and aluminum, the sculpture embodies both the beauty and the untamed energy of nature. Force of Nature is not just a sculpture, it's a call to action, a reminder that we are but custodians of this planet, and that respecting and preserving the delicate balance of nature is paramount to our survival. Chapter 5, The Chewing Gum Man, UK. Hold on to your hats, folks, because our next destination is full of surprises. We're heading to London, England, a city renowned for its iconic landmarks and vibrant street art scene. But tucked away amongst the bustling crowds and historic architecture, you'll find a different kind of artistic treasure hunt, one that involves peering down at the pavement rather than up at towering structures. Meet Ben Wilson, affectionately known as the Chewing Gum Man, a London-based artist who transforms discarded chewing gum into miniature masterpieces. That's right, you heard me correctly. Chapter 6, Book Mountain, Netherlands. Our quest for extraordinary sculptures leads us to Spijkenisse, Netherlands, home to Book Mountain, a giant shimmering glass pyramid revealing a treasure trove of books. Book Mountain, a beacon for knowledge seekers everywhere. Ascend the staircase, surrounded by over 480,000 books. Book Mountain symbolizes the accumulation of knowledge and lifelong learning. Our journey takes a poignant turn as we travel to Stockholm, Sweden, home to a sculpture that embodies a powerful message of peace and non-violence. Standing tall outside the United Nations headquarters, the knotted gun is a symbol of hope and a call to action for a world free from the scourge of gun violence. Created by Swedish artist Carl Fredrik Reuterswärd in response to the tragic shooting of his friend John Lennon, the sculpture depicts a revolver with its barrel tied in a knot, rendering it incapable of firing. The knotted gun is not just a sculpture, it's a global symbol of peace, a reminder that violence is never the answer, and that dialogue, understanding and compassion are the only paths to a more just and peaceful world. Get ready to be awestruck as we venture to Gateshead, England, where a colossal angel spreads its wings against the dramatic backdrop of the Tyne and Wear countryside. The Angel of the North, a majestic steel sculpture by Anthony Gormley, is a symbol of hope, regeneration and the enduring spirit of the industrial North. Standing 20 meters tall with wings spanning 54 meters, the angel dominates the landscape, a testament to human ambition and artistic vision. It's a landmark, a meeting place, and a source of inspiration for locals and visitors alike. Our next stop takes us to the heart of New York City, where a bronze sculpture with a radiant secret stands as a testament to the transformative power of vulnerability. Expansion, created by artist Paige Bradley, depicts a female figure seated in a meditative pose, her body seemingly fractured, allowing a radiant golden light to emanate from within. The sculpture's cracks and fissures are not imperfections. They represent the moments of heartbreak, loss, and adversity that we all experience in life. Expansion is not just a sculpture, it's a powerful metaphor for personal growth and the beauty that can emerge when we embrace our vulnerabilities, allowing our inner light to shine through. Get ready to be dazzled as we journey to the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois, where a giant bean-shaped sculpture reflects the city's skyline and the curious gazes of countless visitors. Cloudgate, affectionately known as the Bean, is a 110-ton elliptical sculpture by renowned British Indian artist Anish Kapoor. Its seamless reflective surface, polished to a mirror-like finish, distorts and transforms the surrounding cityscape, creating a surreal and playful experience for those who wander beneath its arching form. Cloudgate is not just a sculpture, it's an urban playground, a meeting place, and a beloved symbol of Chicago's vibrant cultural scene. Chapter 11. Our art adventure takes a spiritual turn as we travel to the vast and awe-inspiring landscapes of Western Australia, where a towering steel staircase seems to ascend endlessly into the heavens. Stairway to Heaven, officially known as the Public Art Staircase, is a monumental sculpture by artist David Mack. Located in the heart of the Avon Valley National Park, the staircase rises 222 steps above the ground, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. As you climb each step, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder, as if you're ascending to a higher plane of existence. Chapter 12. Prepare to be amazed as we make our way to National Harbor, Maryland, just outside of Washington, D.C., where a colossal sculpture of a giant awakening from the earth captures the imagination. The Awakening, a monumental work by J. Seward Johnson II, is a sight to behold. Imagine stumbling upon a giant hand emerging from the earth, followed by a massive head, torso and limbs, as if a sleeping giant is struggling to break free from the ground. Crafted from aluminum and painted to resemble weathered iron, The Awakening conveys a sense of raw power and the relentless force of nature. Chapter 13. Our final destination takes us to Falkirk, Scotland, where two colossal horse heads rise from the landscape, a testament to the country's industrial heritage and mythical folklore. The Kelpies, designed by sculptor Andy Scott, are the largest equine sculptures in the world, standing over 30 meters tall and weighing over 300 tons each. These majestic creatures, named after mythical shape-shifting water spirits from Scottish folklore, are made from thousands of intricately interlocking steel plates. The Kelpies are not just a sculpture, they are a symbol of Scotland's industrial past, its enduring connection to nature, and the power of art to transform landscapes and inspire awe in equal measure. From gravity-defying taps to nature's force, these 13 sculptures show how art has the power to stretch the limits of creativity and imagination. Which sculpture amazed you the most to want to make you travel over there just to have a good glimpse of it? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible art and travel discoveries here on World Travel Diary. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep your eyes open for the extraordinary. It's all around us, just waiting to be discovered.